Okay, so very exciting time. The 1920 Encased Football has arrived. 5 cards a pack, 1 pack per box. There's 8 boxes in a case. So we're going to open up this case because we have somebody that would like to buy one. We'll let you see what they get. So that's the box. There you are. There's a knife there. Set that to the side. These are currently $2.35 here on release day. It's a really high-end, amazing product. Very exciting. So that's going to be a slabbed card on top. And then you got your pack. Go ahead and save that one for last. Really, really good product. Always a fan favorite. This is some amazing stuff can come out of here. A lot of Hall of Famers and legends. Okay. First card, Damian Harris, autograph on card, 5 of 5. Great way to start out. Oh, Daniel Jones, triple. And that is numbered to 75. And here's a triple, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside, numbered to 50. That's Jersey football and Jersey. There's a Mike Evans. That is numbered to 25. And then this will be an autograph slab. Five cards. It's the last one. That is Beckett graded. Looked like a 10 on the back. Whoa. Josh Jacobs to 50, and that's 9.5. And then if you flip it over, graded 10 on the autograph. That's a nice hit. Rookie cap patch autograph. Very nice. Knock on wood. 17 of 50. Very nice. Stop on in. We have up to, I believe, 3 cases available on release day today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. You get to see many, many card videos amongst other fun stuff. Send us a message on Facebook. Send us an email or check out our website. Thanks again.